So hi, good afternoon, everyone. We have Dr. Jitesh with us. He's a student from batch 8 and he just got his results for AMC 1 today and he has cleared the exam. So many congratulations, Dr. Jitesh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So, Doctor, we know that you have done your MBBS from Bangladesh. So tell us, when did you decide about, moving to Australia, and how did you decide that I want to go and, prepare for AMC?
Initially, during intensive, we have Nepal license exam. We have to clear license exam of Nepal. First 6 months, I was preparing for Nepal license exam. After clearing, I was confused. What should I do? Should I do INACT in India, or should I do PG in Nepal? After research, I did research. There are also options like UK, PLAB, and USMLE. And I searched a lot, and I found that AMC, that demand is increasing for doctors. So after doing lots of research, I found that Australia is better option than in other country. So in this way, it is Australia.
So how did you come to know about Academically, and was Academically the sole resource that you used for your preparation?
Academically, initially I searched in YouTube. I watched video. There were a lot of video about how to study and about blue books and innovated MCQ book. I've seen those books, but I was confused. But which topic are important, which are not? And then I searched in Google, which is best platform. And after searching few, and I found that always while searching Google, Academically used to come at the top. And I thought I should give try to do Academically, and I just selected Academically.
Okay. So, Doctor, one question I want to ask, which is very, common favorite question among the students. Once you started with the preparation and our course, how did you go about it? Were you watching the videos and doing the mock simultaneously? And what time you started referring to the guidelines? If you could just give a small outline for anybody who's new to it.
First, I used to watch video, and I just after watching videos immediately, I don't used to do MCQ because I have fresh knowledge. Obviously, I could score more marks, so I used to wait for 2-3 days. I used to watch other videos. After then, I used to give I have done to the ENT videos. I watched the ENT videos. Then I used to give mock test of ENT 2-3 days back because it has to recall me what I forgotten, what was important. So I used to do that like this, and I only stick to Academically. I at last when the revision period 1 month back before exam, there are Telegram channel, other channel. I saw there. I used to see answer which was different from Academic. Then I used to search in Google, and it was another answer. That I started to feel confused and panic. So I thought I'll stick to Academic, whether it is right or wrong, and guidelines. Only Academically and guidelines. Only I used to see this stuff, and I used to select the answer. This helped me a lot. The more resources, more confusion.
Yeah, right. But what about did you refer the blue book and the red book?
Yes, blue book. I used to study from initially from the start of preparation. I used to see blue book difference from the topic, right topic.
So amongst who's your favorite?
My favorite, Amit sir used to be favorable.
Okay.
The way I used to teach interesting means example and explanation was more detailed. I just love it.
Okay. So, Doctor, what next? Are you planning to give your AMC 2 exam, or are you going to be looking for a job?
First of all, I will give English test. I have to give. Then I am thinking of WBA because passing rate is more 97% around. So I am thinking of giving WBA.
All right. So thank you very much, Dr. Jitesh, for sharing your insight, and congratulations again.
Thank you.
Thank you.